Teachers are the backbone of any institution, and I'm proud to say that at Kasiga School, we have an excellent lot of teachers. Our teachers exhibit an extraordinary mix of knowledge and compassion and have touched many a heart and transformed numerous lives. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I want to take this opportunity to thank each and every teacher at Kasiga School for the extraordinary work that they are doing. Hats off to you, my dear teachers, for having transitioned overnight onto the digital platform to ensure that learning never stops for our students. What you're about to witness in the audiovisual presentation is a tribute to each and every teacher at Kasiga from the bottom of the heart of every Kasigan, from every nook and corner of the globe. They all echo in unison, Happy Teachers' Day. God bless you, my dear colleagues.
A warm and heartfelt welcome to the respected principal, my fellow students, and the star of the day, my dear teachers. Teachers' Day is the most crucial occasion in every student's life. Teachers' Day is commemorated on the 5th of September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. As Joyce Meyer rightly quoted, teachers can change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. कहते हैं जो अच्छा पढ़ाता है वो एक अच्छा और महान शिक्षक होता है, पर मेरा कहना है कि किसी का शिक्षक होना ही उसकी सबसे बड़ी महानता होती है। धन्यवाद एंड हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Thank you for supporting us and teaching us. Happy Teachers' Day.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all my respected teachers.
Happy Teachers Day. I just want to thank all the teachers for going out of the way and helping us, especially during this time. And I hope you like the videos.
तेरी याद आती जान मेरी जान जाती है तन्हाइयों में रहता हूँ तुझसे ही अक्सर ये कहता हूँ क्यों तूने दिल तोड़ा क्यों तूने यूं छोड़ा क्यों तेरा अब भी रहे देखो इंतजार क्यों चली आती है क्यों तड़पाती है क्यों हूँ अब भी मैं यूं बेकरार ऐ खुदा मुझको बता तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा बता।
Teachers open the door of education, but you should enter yourself. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers in Kasiga School.
Teachers who love teaching teach their students to love learning. Happy Teachers' Day to all the great and wonderful teachers at Kasiga. I am so grateful for all of you, especially Sachin sir. Thank you for making maths so interesting. I used to hate it until last year. To Kirti ma'am for being the most understanding, caring and supporting teacher. And to Garima ma'am for being the best class teacher I could ever wish for. Thank you all so much. Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day. Dear teacher, Thank you for continually inspiring me to do my best. You always help me to strive for my goals. I found guidance, friendship, and love, everything in one person. And that person is you.
I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all the teachers who have made my school life a wonderful experience. Happy Teachers Day!
Every year we celebrate this day in school, but due to COVID-19, this year we are not able to celebrate this day. But during COVID-19, all the teachers are taking our online classes continuously to make our career bright. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
Teachers Day to all Kasika teachers. I wish I could be there and would perform something like dance or a speech, but because of Corona, we all are not there. I miss my school, I miss my friends, and I miss my loving and friendly teachers. And I believe, like nurses, policemen, and doctors, our teachers are also the frontline warriors in the period of COVID-19 pandemic.
Happy Teachers Day to all the amazing teachers who make Kasika what it is. And a special shout out to Nareen sir and Harris sir who've pushed me to become a better version of myself every day. So thank you, teachers.
Hello teachers, happy Teachers Day. Today I'll be playing Shift Taandava. I know you'll like it.
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Thank you for supporting me all the time.
Happy Teachers Day.
Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this image. In a way, I feel can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand this. My heart can't take this damage. In a way, I feel can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this.
You are not only our teacher, you are our friend, philosopher, and guide, all molded into one person. We will always be grateful for your support. Happy Teachers Day!
Celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September, but our teachers deserve our love and gratitude every day of their life. I am very grateful that I have their support and blessing with me.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher.
I want to introduce some unique qualities of my teachers. T for tender, E for empathic, A for admirable, C for caring, H for honest, E for encouraging, R for respectable.
Dear teacher, you are not only a teacher for a student, you are like a hero for them, which inspires them to choose their aim. You are like a candle. Whenever it burns, it erases all darkness and spreads the light.
We'd like to thank you for the many things you have done for us.